So it's 1:36. I just woke up. I am gonna go eat some breakfast and then get started on my reading. I have to finish my book by Wednesday, which is when my book club is. So a little bit about me. I am 28. I used to work in supply chain at Applied Materials. I quit. It's been about 3 years now, and I've been trying to focus on my mental health. I have OCD, and it is, not to be dramatic, but it's pretty debilitating. For a while, I couldn't even really leave the house without feeling really anxious, and I get really bad, I get triggered by certain things, and then I ruminate on them for days, weeks, months, and it's often hard for me to even get out of bed. And the reason I'm sharing this is because I think there's a lot of people who struggle with the same thing, and I'm hoping this can be a reminder that you're not alone. I went through a really rough breakup about 6 months ago. Right before that, I was hospitalized due to a manic episode that I had. So it's been a rocky few years, but I'm sick of, waking up at 3 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m. and just kind of wasting my day scrolling or sleeping or ruminating on things that aren't real. And I want to get my life back. So I'm hoping that this channel, and I'm hoping that posting these videos will be the push I need to hold myself accountable and really turn my life around. And I'm hoping too that I've already seen it with some people that have commented that there are other people who struggle with the same things and are going through the same things, and I think we can be a community that helps and supports each other, and I'm really excited to start this journey with you all.